A'udzu billahi minas syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosemary Galoso Berdal from Northern Luzon, Philippines. I bear witness that there is no God worthy to be worshipped except Allah, the one in has no partner. And I bear witness that Muhammad is lead and messenger. And I bear witness that Ali and their imams from his sons are the proof of Allah. And I bear witness that Ahmad al-Hasan al-Yamani alayhi salam is truth. And Abdullah Hassan Abbas Sadiq alayhi salam is truth. Upon this I shall live, upon this I shall die. Upon this I shall be resurrected again. Insha'Allah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Al-aima wal maktin wa salim taslima.